Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Amazfit GTS 4 mini watch to your phone. First, make sure your watch is fully charged, which usually takes about 2 hours for a complete charge. Next, download the Zepp app from your phone's App Store. It's available for both Android and iOS devices. Finally, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and your watch is powered up and ready. Now open the Zepp app on your phone. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account. Otherwise, simply log in. Once inside the app, navigate to the Profile tab, which is typically found at the bottom right. From there, select Add Device and then choose Watch. Your phone's camera will then activate, ready to scan the unique QR code displayed on your watch screen. After scanning the QR code, a pairing request will appear on both your Amazfit watch and your smartphone. Simply tap to confirm on both devices to establish the connection. The watch will then begin its initial data synchronization with the Zepp app, which might take a few moments, typically less than 1 minute. Once synced, you can personalize your watch settings and manage notifications directly through the app. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A simple restart of both your Amazfit GTS 4 mini watch and your smartphone can often resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, try clearing the Zepp app's cache or even reinstalling it completely. Always ensure that both your watch's firmware and the Zepp app itself are updated to their most recent versions for optimal performance and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.